Okay, we have a cello in the shop today. So cello functionally is correct. The problem really is that the bridge here is too high. In fact, the G string right here, no, I'm sorry, it's the C string. This is currently measuring in at about 8.75 millimeters, and ideally this string should only be about 6.5 millimeters. So it's a pretty high action and a little uncomfortable, especially for students who are using this type of cello. So project today is to lower the action on the bridge. Thankfully I don't have to replace the bridge, which will save the work of having to carve the feet to shape of the plate here. So I just need to lower it down and then just trim off all the excess wood. Definitely plays a lot more comfortable.